Good morning, children. Already we have finished the Unit 3, third lesson, the continents of the world. And we have finished the choose, match, true or false and answer the following. Now we are going to see about the answer in detail. So first question is, write about any two continents. We have seen about the 7 continents. In this you can write any two continents. Write about any two continents. So we can write the question answers one by one. So any two continents you can write from your book. If you are having the book, you can write, children. But now I am going to write about Asia and Africa. So first one is Asia. So about some points we can go through the points. Asia. So Asia is the world's largest continent in size. This is the world's largest continent. Asia is the world's largest continent in size as well as the population. Okay. And population. Then second point, we can write point by point, children. It is the highest point on the earth. As highest point on the earth, that is known as the Mount Everest. Highest point on the earth, the peak of Mount Everest. That highest point is peak of Mount Everest. That is in the Himalayas. Which is in the Himalayas. Okay, so that is the second point. So this Mount Peak is in the Himalayas. Okay. And the third point is, it is the birthplace of great ancient civilization. Third point is, it is the birthplace. All the ancient civilizations and all started from this only. It is the birthplace of ancient civilization. Okay, so these are the 3 points that you have to write for the Asia. So two continents, first I'll take it the Asia, and second one I can take it as, this is A, Asia, and B, Africa. So Africa is the second largest continent of the world. So this also you can write the point by point. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. Second largest continent. Asia is the first one and the Africa is the second one continent in the world. You might have seen in the world map also. Second point, Nile is the longest river, world's longest river. This Nile river is in Africa. So Nile river is the world's longest river. World's longest river. Then third point, Sahara is the largest desert area. This is also in Africa. Sahara is the world's largest desert. So all this in Africa only. Largest desert. Then more than 50% of the world gold and diamond come from Africa only. Okay. More than 50% of world's gold and diamond come from Africa. So you can write these two continents. Okay, so write about any two continents. You can write Asia and Africa. So point by point you can write. Then this 3 points and then this the 4th point. And the second one is, write a note on monuments of India. write a note on monuments of India. What are the monuments? So this also you can write about the points. India as several historical monuments. Several historical monuments. And second one, Taj Mahal is one such monument. So, adla Taj Mahal is one such monument. One such monument. Taj Mahal is built completely using the white marble. So, Taj Mahal is built completely using white marble. Fourth one, it is recognized as one of the seven wonders of the world. Recognized as one of the seven wonders of the world. So many wonders is there. This is one of the seven wonders of the world. Okay. And then other monuments. What are the other monuments? So many monuments are there. So I'll continue on this side. Other monuments are so you can write the fifth point. I'll write here. Other monuments. Where India Gate, and Qutub Minar in Delhi. So these monuments are in Delhi. India Gate and Qutub Minar in Delhi. Then Gateway of India. Gateway of India in Mumbai. Charminar in Hyderabad. Pragadishwara Temple and Gangaikonda Cholapuram. Cholapuram in Tamil Nadu. Okay, these are the note about the monuments. So India has several historical monuments, and Taj Mahal is one such monument. And Taj Mahal is built completely using white marble. It is recognized as one of the seven wonders of the world. Other monuments are India Gate and Qutub Minar in Delhi, and Gateway of India in Mumbai, Charminar in Hyderabad, Bragadishwara Temple and Gangaikonda Cholapuram in Tamil Nadu. So these are the note about the monuments. Okay. And then the next one is give a detailed study of Australia. So Australia is the smallest continent. So you might have seen in the map. So we have to write about this. Give a detailed study of Australia. So these are the 3 detailed questions from the last lesson. Give the detailed study of Australia. So this also you can write point by point. So Australia is the island continent. So this is the island continent with unique landscapes. With unique landscapes and natural wonders. Natural wonders. Then the second point, the Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef. And joy of Australia. Joy of Australia. Are made up of 2,500 individual reefs. Then third one, Australia includes the island. Australia includes the island. What are the islands? Islands of Tasmania. Islands of Tasmania and numerous small islands. Okay. So this is about the detailed study of Australia. Australia is the island continent and unique landscapes and the natural wonders. The Great Barrier Reef and joy of Australia are made up of 2,500 individual reefs. Australia includes the island of Tasmania and the numerous small islands. Okay. So these are the 3 detailed questions in this lesson. So already we have finished everything, all the fill up, choose and match everything. Okay. So from this lesson we have learned choose the best answer, and there are dash continents in the world. We have already learned 7 continents. The largest continent is Asia, Africa and North America. So Asia is the largest continent. Dash is the longest river in the world. Kaveri, Ganga and Nile. Nile is the longest river in the world. Lake Superior is located in Dash, North America, Australia and Europe. That is North America. Penguins are found in Dash continent. Asia, Antarctica, Africa. That is Antarctica. Then match the following. I have written the one numbers. I'll say the straight answers now. Asia, that is the biggest continent. Africa, Sahara Desert. Europe, Vatican City. South America, Amazon rainforest. Australia, Kangaroo. Say true or false. Asia is the 3rd largest continent. That is false. India is one of the 7 wonders of the world. False. Brazil is one of the largest coffee producer in the world. That is true. The Great Barrier Reef is in India. False. Antarctica has half year of light. True. So this is about the lesson, and we have finished question answers and everything. And you know the 7 continents. So you better buy a world map and mark these continents. That is in your book, page number 125. Here you see North America, South America, then Europe, and half of it in the Asia. Asia is the largest continent, and Africa, Asia, Africa, then Australia. So 7 continents: North America, South America, Europe, Pakatla Asia, Europe to Africa is separate one. Australia is the smallest continent. Here Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and this is Antarctica. So better buy the world map and color it, children. So don't use the colors. Already I told you, green, yellow, blue, brown. You should not use this. You can use orange, pink, violet, like that you can use. So we are seeing the continents of the world, 7 continents. Okay, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. And you can collect the pictures, everything. Okay, so we have seen, so far we have finished all these lessons in this, and go through this lesson, children. Thank you.